Tired of your taskbar always being stuck at the bottom of your screen? What if you could move it to the top easily, safely, and without touching the registry? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to move your Windows taskbar to the top using Windhawk no registry editing. No risky system hacks. Just a simple, clean, and reversible method. Now, before we begin, make sure you already have Windhawk installed on your computer. I've added a link in the description showing you how to download and install the offline version. After watching this video, you can check that one out if you haven't installed it yet. All right, let's launch Windhawk. I already have it installed here on my computer, so I'll just open it. And here we are. You'll notice that currently there are no mods installed. That's perfectly fine. To install a new mod, you have two simple options. You can click on Browse for Mods, or you can click on Explore. Let me click on Browse for Mods. Great. Now you can see a list of available mods. There are quite a lot of them, but instead of scrolling through everything manually, we'll use the search box to make things easier. In the search field, I'll type something related to what we want. Since we want the taskbar at the top, I'll just type top. Now, depending on the version of Windows you're using, you might see slightly different results. For Windows 11 users, the mod we're looking for is called Taskbar on Top for Windows 11. Go ahead and click on the Details button. This opens the mod's details page. You can scroll down and read more about what the mod does, how it works, and any additional notes from the developer. Once you're ready, click on Install. You'll see a confirmation pop up. Just accept it, and the installation will begin. And watch this carefully. Immediately after installation, the taskbar moves from the bottom straight to the top of the screen. Just like that. No restart, no system crash, no complicated steps. And you'll also notice that the mod is automatically enabled after installation. If you ever want to switch back, you can simply toggle the Enable or Disable button right here. Turn it off, and the taskbar goes back to the bottom. Turn it on again, and it returns to the top. Now let's go back to the home page of Windhawk. You can see that Taskbar on Top for Windows 11 is now listed under Installed Mods. From here, you can enable or disable it anytime using the toggle switch. And if you completely change your mind, you can click on Remove to uninstall the mod entirely. That's it. Simple, clean, and completely reversible. If this tutorial helped you customize your Windows experience, go ahead and give this video a like. And subscribe to Zimist Coded for more practical Windows tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next one.